Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today I'll show you how to factory reset your Micromax Smart TV step by step. First, make sure your Micromax Smart TV is powered on and showing the home screen. If the Micromax Smart TV is frozen, unplug it from power before starting. Now plug the Micromax Smart TV back into the outlet and wait for it to boot. Pick up your Micromax Smart TV remote and press the home button. On your Micromax Smart TV screen, move to the settings icon using the arrow keys. Select settings on your Micromax Smart TV using the OK button. Scroll down to device preferences on your Micromax Smart TV. Choose device preferences to open more options for your Micromax Smart TV. Now scroll to the reset option on your Micromax Smart TV. Press OK and reset to begin the process on your Micromax Smart TV. The Micromax Smart TV will now show a confirmation message. Select Erase Everything to continue on your Micromax Smart TV. If your Micromax Smart TV asks for a PIN, enter the correct one. Your Micromax Smart TV will now restart automatically. During reboot, the Micromax Smart TV will display the Micromax logo. Wait patiently as the Micromax Smart TV wipes all data. Do not unplug the Micromax Smart TV while the bar is loading. After the reset, the Micromax Smart TV will return to the setup screen. If your Micromax Smart TV was stuck earlier, this reset should fix it. If your Micromax Smart TV does not show the menu, use the hard reset method. Turn off your Micromax Smart TV and unplug it. Locate the physical buttons on your Micromax Smart TV panel. Press and hold the power and volume down buttons on your Micromax Smart TV. While holding both buttons, plug your Micromax Smart TV back in. Keep holding until the Micromax Smart TV enters recovery mode. Use volume buttons to navigate the recovery screen on your Micromax Smart TV. Highlight Wipe Data/Factory Reset on your Micromax Smart TV. Press power to select it on the Micromax Smart TV. Choose Yes to confirm the wipe on the Micromax Smart TV. The Micromax Smart TV will now reset to recovery mode. After wiping, select Reboot System now on your Micromax Smart TV. The Micromax Smart TV will restart with default software. Be patient while the Micromax Smart TV optimizes apps. When it starts, you'll see the welcome setup screen on your Micromax Smart TV. Connect your Micromax Smart TV to Wi-Fi to complete setup. Sign in with your Google account on the Micromax Smart TV. Adjust display settings according to your Micromax Smart TV preferences. If the Micromax Smart TV still freezes later, check for updates. Go to Settings again on your Micromax Smart TV. Scroll to About on your Micromax Smart TV. Select System Update on your Micromax Smart TV. Install new updates to keep the Micromax Smart TV smooth. If issues continue, try cleaning the ports of your Micromax Smart TV. Unplug the Micromax Smart TV and inspect the HDMI ports. Use a dry brush to clean dust from the Micromax Smart TV ports. Reconnect all cables firmly to your Micromax Smart TV. Now power on your Micromax Smart TV again. The Micromax Smart TV should now run without any major issues. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. Your Micromax Smart TV is now fully reset.